In this video, I'm going to be going over the bulk message campaign. Now, the bulk message campaign, there's two ways that you can send out messages. One is with the bulk message campaign, and the other one is with the messenger broadcaster. Now, I'm going to be going over the bulk message campaign. This one will send out to all your leads on your Facebook pages, and you can send to multiple pages all at once. Or multiple groups. If you set up groups, groups are set up in this tab here. So you can send messages according to groups, and you can also set up custom campaigns where you can simply select on custom campaign, and you can select certain subscribers and create a campaign around particular subscribers one by one. You'll see here that I'm going to select the multi-page campaign. And here's a certain layout. You'll see you can set up your message and campaign right here. Here's the inbox preview, and you can do a test message right here. So I'm going to call this one test, and I'm going to call this one test message. You can click on little eyes here. You can also you can have text, URLs, and emoticons. You can include the first name. So if I put, hey, hi, first name, and then test message. Here you can put a URL and it'll be previewed. You can also put a YouTube URL right here and it'll be previewed. And here's where you can select your pages. So I can select a number of different pages, and I can send out a message to all these users. So for example, 278 leads I can send it out to right away. Here I can exclude certain people. So I can, for example, just start typing, and I can exclude this person. You just start typing here, and you can exclude that person. You know, if you have an old ex that you don't want to send to, you can put their name there. Here is very important. You want to delay it. And you can also, you want to have the unsubscribe link enabled or disabled. All right. You can also schedule it. So for example, like a drip feed, you can send out a number of messages and like an autoresponder, you can drip feed them. Also the delay seconds, 0 means random. Okay. And so for example, if I want to delay it by 20 seconds per lead, that's what it'll be delayed by. I'm just going to keep it at 0, but I'm going to send out a test. Okay, so here's what it's going to be: test message, and I'm going to pick myself. Just start typing in here, and to bring up anybody. So I'm going to choose my own. So Mark DeLeese, coming from Chat Lead Matrix, and I'm going to send myself a test message. All right, so it's going to show up right here. So if I click on send message, you'll see it sent it. So if I click on my Facebook, and there it is right there. Hi Mark, test message. All right. So it's working. And so if I want to send to all my people from all those pages, I can just create my message, and it's going to blast it out. Okay. Now we want to make sure that you set up the random to be maybe every 10 or 15 seconds. All right, or keep it at random because it's on a delay. So this is very important. So it's not as fast as the broadcaster, but it works like gangbusters. What's really cool as well, it has reports. So if I click on message campaign, you'll see here that I can go on to the campaign report, and it'll tell me exactly what was sent out. And if it was multi-page, for example, I sent one out, it sent out 147 messages out of 149, so 2 of them didn't work because they probably deleted their Facebook account or what have you, or unsubscribed or what have you. So if I want to look at the individual report, I can click on there, and it'll give me each person if they responded or not. Here's a copy of the message, the original message right here as well, if you want to see what you sent out. And you can see here that if I click on 1, 2, 3, let's try to, oh yeah, here's right here. So permission disallowed user to message to user. So this person obviously unsubscribed, or they blocked, or in some way. All right. So that's why there's 147 out of 149. If If I want to go back to, if I want to resend it from where it's, so if it canceled, for example, if I click on, let me cancel this here. If it, for example, if it only went halfway through for some reason, I can force the process. I click on report and I can resend it from where it left off. I can go back and I can edit it once again. Okay, that's the message that was given. So that's that's what you need to do. If you want to look at an old message to bring it back in, you simply go to your reports. You bring up your report. So for example, I can go to this one here. This one was sent out. I can go to report and I can go and I can edit what was sent out. Okay, so that one was sent out quite a while ago, but it's still there in a database. All right, and I even sent out a video here. See that? There's a video there that I sent out, a URL. All right, so that's how easy it is to do, and that's the Facebook bulk message. Thank you.